So today I'm going to be doing this look. It is following Adelaine Morin's everyday natural look for brown eyes. I do not have brown eyes. I have like green or blue eyes. They like switch. But I followed it anyway and I actually really like it. But yeah, if you want to watch this video, keep on watching. Okay. So she said that she's going to use this Smashbox primer. I have like the sample of it, so I'm just going to put that on. Okay, so I don't have the foundation that she uses, so I'm just going to use my Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse. Oops, I have to unlock it. I should have told you. I never told you after all these years. I told you. I do have that. I definitely got it just for this video. Still on packaging. I'm using Fair. So got it. Let's see where she puts it. A really bright blush, so I'm gonna use this one. So she's using Champagne Pop out of her Jaclyn Hill palette. But you know, I'm actually using my contour, not my bronzer. It's gonna look so bad because I've never contoured my nose before, but you know, do it for the YouTube. I mean, like, it's not horrible, but like, so that's good for that. But I do not have the palette, so I'm going to try to use similar. She's moisturizing her lips, and I actually have like a similar one. She's using like a pink one, but it's like the same thing. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, so she just put tape on her eyes, or she like currently is. But she's using the Too Faced Chocolate Semi-Sweet Palette. And she's using like the peanut butter shade first. It's pure in my Too Faced Sweet Peach. Charmed, I'm sure, because again, it's a dark brown. She's taking a tiny brush, so I'm just gonna use this one. It's tiny. And she's taking a black. So I'm gonna use my Tarte Smokes How for this part. So she's putting on lashes, and they're the Kiss Poise, and I have them. Kiss Poise. Curl on her eyelashes. So she's using the Maybelline The Colossal Big Shot mascara. So I did not get her lips. I'm going to add Georgia eyeshadow on top of it. She added some like baking powder, like white powder, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use my like colored powder. This is the makeup tutorial. I actually like really like this. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below and say what your favorite makeup product is. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. It's going to be linked down below, because I am actually starting to like use Instagram like an Instagram. Before, it would just be me posting when there's updates or things. But like recently I've been doing like photos that like I've taken. So like this, like a selfie of this will be on that. But yeah, you guys should definitely follow that. I do a bunch of polls, and I'm going to be doing a shout out of the week, obviously every week. But yeah, you guys should go do that. Listen.